If your thermostat is not controlling humidity like it should, you might be missing a key step with the humidity sensor setup. Okay, so first off, make sure the humidity sensor is actually installed and connected properly to your thermostat. Sometimes it's just a loose wire or a skipped connection that messes everything up. Next, check if your thermostat model even supports humidity control. Some don't, so no shame if yours needs an upgrade. If it does support it, look at the settings menu and make sure the humidity control option is turned on and set to your preferred level. Don't forget to reset the system after making changes, because sometimes it needs a little nudge to start working right. Also, keep your sensors clean and free from dust. Dirty sensors give bad readings. If you have a smart thermostat, update its software regularly to avoid glitches. Lastly, if humidity control is crucial for you, think about pairing your thermostat with a standalone humidifier or dehumidifier for better accuracy and comfort. One of the biggest issues with thermostats not controlling humidity properly is incorrect humidity sensor installation. If it's not wired right or placed in a bad spot, you get useless readings. Fix that by double-checking the wiring and consulting your thermostat manual for proper sensor placement. Another common mistake is using a thermostat that doesn't actually support humidity control, so verify your model's specs before expecting miracles. The third problem is ignoring firmware updates on smart thermostats. Outdated software can cause bugs in humidity management, so keep your device updated to avoid headaches. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle stuff like thermostat and humidity issues. It also gives contractors a reliable way to connect with people who need their skills, making sure everyone wins.